Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Unlocking Minds with Charles. Today in the morning, we got a sad news of a 26-year-old chartered accountant dying due to overstress at work. So, here are a few tips which I would give in this video for all those workaholics and people suffering from constant overwork and are often overburdened and are constantly suffering from different health issues which might cause serious disturbances in their physical and mental health. So, first of all, you have to plan yourself. Like in the starting of the day, you make a list. According to that list, follow what are the important things which you need to do. Secondly, block out all your distractions. There are 90% of the times we see that people who are into work, they are constantly either WhatsApping or calling or doing other kinds of watching a movie. So what you can do is you can limit all these distractions and you focus constantly on your work. So if you have a schedule that this is the time I have to devote, if there are no distractions, then it would be easier for you to work. End work at certain period of time. Do not end work at 9, 9:30 and stretch it out for a longer time. And one more suggestion is please don't take work back home. Try to finish your work as much as possible in the office itself. Don't try to take back work home because it gets very difficult and you don't get time for your family also. So try to finish your work in the office as much as possible. Use technology. There are multiple apps which are present in the Play Store, Google, Android phones, iPhones. Use those apps to solve your problems or maybe help you out to solve your work related issues. Go out for lunch with your friends. Just work is not important. Work is not everything. Today, if something happens to you, you will be repressed. But only your memories will stay back. So go out with your friends, go out with your family, take time off. It's very important that you take at least 5 to 10 minutes for yourself at the entire day. 24 hours is a long time. You can obviously take out some time for yourself. Practice mindfulness. Find your passion. There are a lot of people around me who say that I had passion to draw, I had passion to sing, dance, but due to work pressure I cannot do that. But please try to start those activities because that will somewhere give you mental peace and happiness which you had lost in your lives. Communicate with your manager. Talk assertively and speak about your problems that these are the issues I am facing. I cannot complete this. More you communicate, the more the manager will understand what problems you actually have. If you don't talk, you don't speak out, then it's very difficult for people to understand about your issues. Lastly, seek professional help. When you see things are going beyond your control, you cannot control the stress or overburden or burnout issues, please seek professional help immediately. And seeking professional help does not mean you're mad or you're having some other issue. This will help you to move back in your life, will increase your productivity, focus, and improve your physical and mental health. With this note, I just want to say that we don't want to lose any more lives either to suicide or to overwork or these burdens or to workaholics who have a lot of other health issues. We really don't want to lose that. So just use these tricks and I hope you will be able to succeed in your life. Thank you and have a great day ahead.